everyone, it's Jess. Welcome to or back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up April's Birchbox, and I heard this one's pretty exciting, and we have a guest. This is Sophie. This is my grandma's dog. She's staying with us for the week, along with her sister, but this one's a lot more active, so that's why she's being featured in the video. And she won't get off my bed. So yeah, that's why. She'll just be hanging around. Lay down. Okay, so let's get into this box. Looks normal. Like normal. But, oh my goodness. Such a surprise. This month's bag is a stasher bag. And it's because it's Earth Month. They're trying to, you know, be very, what's the word? I can't think of the word I was looking for. Like, earth conscious? Like, stasher bags are the endlessly reusable silicone alternative to single-use plastic. Not efficient. I can't think of the word. But if you know what I mean, please comment and say so. Anyway, let's get into it. This is the theme. My favorite flower. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Okay, they're talking about Super Casual Spring Clean Challenge, and in this they talk a lot about how to use their past boxes as organization, and they just give you a couple different tips, because who has time for a full spring clean? They kind of give you a couple steps to just doing a little one. But anyway, let's get into it. Okay, first you need to see the bag. Nothing came in it, I guess because they were trying to keep its shape. But this is the bag. It's not a box. And this is the stasher. It came in pineapple, yellow, and it's actually like, you can use it for a ton of stuff. This says microwave ready, stovetop safe, freezer friendly, dishwasher safe, oven strong, and there's even more uses for it. So you really could use this for food, for beauty, for basically anything. To me, it's just like a silicone ziplock. Like, this is the huge zip-locking technology that they have, and all you have to do is squeeze it closed, and it is closed. Sophie is trying to eat the light reflection. Anyway, that drives her crazy. Back to the stasher. So cool, and I love the color that I received. It's like just the perfect size for your beauty needs, or any need, basically. But let's get into the first item. Okay. Ooh, I've heard a lot about these. This is the Aero Radiant Skin Moisturizer. Full size is $24. This lightweight moisturizer has a subtle sheen to illuminate your skin and hyaluronic acid and aloe to hydrate and soothe. Use in the morning alone or under makeup. And I've heard a lot about this brand, especially from the Birchbox emails. And I love the sizes of everything in Birchbox. I think it's going to be perfect for like going to camp if I don't want to take my whole bottle of lotion and just take a little one. I think that's going to be perfect. And then next we have the Grace and Stella Rose Water Facial Mist. Full size is $25. This calming rose spray helps hydrate skin, reduce redness, and maintains the skin pH balance. Spray 10 to 12 inches from your face whenever you need a refresh. Once finished, reuse the spray bottle with any of your favorite spray products. Oh, I like the sound of that, and I love the smell of rose, so this is exciting. And it's a good size too, and I feel like this would be super cute as a gift as well. I don't know, I think it's just good all over. Okay, these guys. Magnetone London Wipeout Swipes Eco-Friendly Makeup Remover Pads. Full size 6-pack is $20. At first, I thought these were going to be like makeup wipes, but it's going to be a surprise. You'll be surprised, I promise. These will remove even the toughest long-wear makeup with just warm water. Wet the swipe and use a circular motion to gently wipe away makeup. This can be reused thousands of times. To clean, just washing your normal laundry load. Huh! Look. They're fluffy. They are so cute. I've had a makeup eraser before, the towel version, and I lost it. So those are fun. Next we have this Refill Lip Balm. Refillable Beauty Balm. Full size is $12. Not just a lip balm. This is your multi-use balm for anything. Plus, it's refillable. Made with a blend of natural oils, hyaluronic acid, ceramides, and squalane. Never heard that. It hydrates and conditions dry skin, helps promote skin barrier function, and leaves a protective layer that's light and soft. Apply to lips, cuticles, dry patches of skin, or anywhere you need. Refills sold separately on Birchbox.com. This is pretty big, guys. I'm impressed. It kind of reminds me of the Balm.com from Glossier. You can use it anywhere, and I think that's pretty cool that it's refillable. Okay, last item is this Vitamasks Detox Leafy Green Sustainable Sheet Mask. Sustainable! That was the word I was looking for at the beginning! Sustainable sources! Wow, Jess. Okay, full size is $5. This biodegradable sheet mask detoxifies and purifies pores, one use. Apply to cleansed skin and leave on for about 20 minutes. Pat remaining serum into skin. And I heard this packaging is biodegradable, so that's pretty cool. Vegan, clean, adaptogenic, probiotic, eco-friendly. Sounds like all good stuff to me. I was really excited for this one. I think I want to use that really soon. And that is all for this month's Birchbox. We have the mask, the moisturizer, the refill balm, the rose spray, the swipes, and our stasher bag. This is exciting. I love it all. I think this is probably my favorite Birchbox out of the whole entire year. I hope you guys enjoyed this month's Birchbox. I certainly did. The stasher was like a really good surprise, and I just wanted to ask you guys if you would please subscribe and share my channel with your friends, and please comment down below. Let me know what you think, if you have any video ideas for me, anything you'd like to see, any questions, anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you later. Bye!